We pride ourselves on our people and our incredible service. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to provide you with a great experience. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We'll see you soon.